G'day guys and girls. So today we're going to show you how to plug a tire. Now if you take it to a auto body shop or mechanic here in Ontario or in Canada, they won't actually plug it. They'll actually take the tire off, put a patch in, which is the correct way of doing it. However, I've been using tire plugs for a good 20 something years, and I've never had one that has released on me. So I swear by them. I keep this kit in my car. This one happens to be made by Slime, but there's multiple brands out there. You can see our tools of choice there. So we've got a couple pairs of vice grips. We've got a screwdriver. I don't necessarily like using good screwdrivers, but that Milwaukee screwdriver has a nice point on it. So hopefully we're going to be able to dig this out no problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to the tire and we're going to assess where the problem is. And I've already done this, but just so you know what you're looking for, you can see, okay, well there's a rock, and then we get up to here and we're like, okay, it's rusted, first of all, it's huge, second of all, and then third of all, you can see how it's compressed all the tread, so it's holding itself down. Now I was getting low tire warning on my dash, so obviously I'm getting aware that something's going on. So just to confirm this, take a bit of, in this case it's just spray 9, can be any kind of cleaner like that. You can also use just simple soap and water, dish soap, but you can see just how much that's bubbling up. So we've identified where the leak is, and now it's time to actually dig this sucker out of there and plug it. Okay, so now we're ready to actually extract the nail out of there, what we think is a nail. What we're going to do is we're going to use either these pliers here, these pliers here. We're going to use this screwdriver to try to work it up a little bit, because I actually can't get the pliers down into the tread yet to grab it. So we need to pry the head up just a little bit in order to do that. Once we get that head pried up and out of there, we're going to work quickly. We're going to put this reamer in there. We're going to ream it. Then we're going to take this device here with one of these patches and we're going to plug it up. So let's see how we do here. We're actually losing a bit of the head because we've worn it out from driving on it. But what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can grab that right now. It's just not enough on the other side for us to actually grab it. You'll know you're getting close when you start hearing it leak like that. So, I believe I've got the head up enough that we can grab it with these thinner set of vice grips. Do yourself a favor, actually get the vice grip brand, the original brand. They're very strong. It's what you need for this purpose. We're going to put our reamer device right here. We're going to take this device here and we're just going to peel off one of these very sticky rubbers. And you're going to basically slide it in there. It does take a little bit of patience. So now this is ready. I like to push it to the back. What's going to happen is we're going to push it down the tire, pull back real quick, and that's it. So let's see how we do here, guys and girls. Once we remove this, we've got to ream it and plug it real quick. Let's see. Twist it a little bit if you have to. Place your finger there so you know where the hole was. Holy. That's a good one. That's a concrete nail. Find the hole. You can throw that in there, it'll buy you a little bit of time. Get set up with your plug. All we're going to do is just ream this hole out. So all we're doing is just making it a little bit more round. We're going to take our plug. It does take some force sometimes. So I've got, probably a ½ inch holding or sitting up. All we're going to do is one quick motion, pull this back out. And that's it. No leaks, no nothing. So as you can see, we've now got this plugged. No sounds, no leaks. That concrete nail is quite something. Amazing that could get into your tire. But they've got a big flat head on them and they'll sit upright, or as you roll over them they'll actually become upright, and that's a huge problem. They're typically roofing nails, but this is a good 2-incher. That one goes in the books. So we're going to take that patch now and we're just going to trim it off. So take yourself a nice sharp knife. Doesn't have to be this kind of knife. And all you're going to do is just trim it as flush as you can. That's the remnants on it. Easy peasy. That kit, you can get them for between $5 and $15. Throw it in the back of your car. In a pinch, I have done this roadside. It's not easy. It's okay when it's on front tires and you can angle the tire outwards. You know exactly where the leak is, but best thing is take it off and do it at home, just like we've demonstrated here. So if you guys found the video informative, think about giving me a thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why down in the comments right there. We're adding new content like this all the time. It could be, something to help you with your car, your house, yard maintenance. Who knows? But you don't know what you're capable of until you try. So until the next video, you never know unless you bear.